Hey YouTube, what's up? This is Ben from shouldiget.com, and in this video I am actually filming with the AirPods Pro from Apple. I have two sets here. If this video gets a ton of likes, I'll probably give away the second set. But anyways, I just want to go over what's in the box, leave your comments of what you want to know, and I'm going to do a review video either tomorrow or on Friday. So this sound quality is coming from the AirPods Pro right now. I'm recording into the Voice Memos app on my iPhone 11. And the first thing I'll tell you is I really don't like two things. One, the side of the AirPods do not have an actual physical button. So to turn it into transparency mode, it's kind of like the iPhone 7 and iPhone 8 home button. So it's only when they're on and you click, do you kind of feel it, but it's not a physical clickable button. So it does feel very weird. It doesn't feel exactly as I imagined it would be in the advertisements on Apple's website. Also, the charger is now USB-C to Lightning. So if you have a newer MacBook, you can plug it in. But if you don't have the adapter, which is not included in the box, it's about $30 to use this cable. Otherwise, you have to use an older regular Lightning cable, which you probably have for your phone anyways, but it's just strange that they didn't include it. This is probably a sign that the next iPhone will have USB-C in the bottom as well. And they are not as comfortable as the regular AirPods with the ear tips I have in right now. But as you can see, it does come with 3 different sets of ear tips. So I'm going to try them out. They are staying in my ears pretty well, so I'm shaking my head right now, as you guys can tell.
This one stayed in.
But I'm not a big fan of the comfort with these tips. So I'm going to test it, try it out, do a full review. If you have any questions, leave them in a comment down below. Happily answer them, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.